Hey guys, Mr. G again. Just doing a quick intro into some modifications I'm going to be doing on the Mustang. I just kind of wanted to walk you through what I wanted to do. Today what we're going to do is we're going to open up this air box and we're going to put in this AEM dry filter element. And the only reason why we're just doing that is we just want to get a little bit more flow. I already have the RTR front grille on this car, which gives a full ram air effect of air through into the air box. And most EcoBoost owners recommend just keeping the stock box and not going with a full cold air intake kit just because of underhood temperatures, because it's a turbo motor. So let me take you through the procedures on how I would do this intro. All right, first thing we're going to want to do is loosen the tabs. And the next thing we're going to want to do is we want to move this air box up and back. And then what it does is it frees up the air filter element that's underneath. And we're just going to take it and pull it out. And let's check it out. Yeah. Not exactly the greatest breathing element that we're going to want to install. What we want is this AEM high flow air filter. So if we open it up and we look inside, we can see right here it's a much better air filter. A lot of people say that this is a pretty decent filter that would go in there. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to put it in that air box. All right, so now all we need to do now is lift up the box and slip the air filter in underneath it. And you want to make sure that it is seated correctly inside. So we go and we check it, make sure that it's seated correctly. And then we can go ahead and move the air box back and make sure that is also seated correctly, which it is. And then we're going to push it down in the back right here, and then we make sure the clips are up right there. And then the last one. Just like that. Okay. And now we've installed the AEM dry air filter element in my Mustang. And there it is right there. Here's the part number, if you were so interested. Pretty easy modification for these EcoBoost Mustangs. And check in for some more videos. And I just, like I said, walk you through it while you're home. You know, I hope you're doing okay. You know, I hope you're doing all right being at home. And hopefully we'll be back at school soon. But like I said, I'll try to upload some videos every once in a while just to kind of walk you through how to do some quick installs on cars.